so I'm here with another BoxyCharm unboxing. And this is for the month of April. I actually got it a couple of days ago. Let's see. Oh, convenient. Have a tool right here. I actually do not even recall seeing the ads or the sneak peeks for this box, so I'm actually excited to see what I got myself. Let's dive on in. All right. Peace, Love, and Boxy is the title of our box this week, and I got, I guess, variation 3. The first thing I see are these super cute Luxie brushes, and they say summer days, and they have like a Ferris wheel, total Coachella vibes right there with the palm tree and the Ferris wheel. And I guess I'm gonna open them up so we can take a look, and let me tell you how much they retail. Let me tell you how much they retail for. $28. It says the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. So let's see. Oh, these are cute. They like fade into a yellow. Fade into a yellow. This is going to be the contour brush. It's all gonna take off my other makeup. Not wearing a lot, but it's gonna take it off. Okay, and they have like a matte finish look. So this is the small contouring brush. This little one is the small shader. So this is the packing brush and the glitter brush. And then this is gonna be our large shader the large shader brush for like blending. Yay! I actually love Luxie brushes, so I'm here for it. All right, the next product I see is the Christopher buckle. Never heard of Christopher. Never heard of Christopher. I never heard of Christopher. Damn, I should stop. That's really ugly. I've never heard of Christopher buckle. Ooh, this is pretty. Yes, Christopher. I got the shade Bardot. Okay. I actually don't really like these mauve colors. Like, this is a little too pinky mauve for me. I like nudes typically. Nudes. Just send me all the nudes. So there's the color. It was a nice soft formula. Will I probably try it out? Yeah, because it's a little on the pink side, but I still might wear it. This packaging though, I love the packaging. And this retails for $18. All right, the next product I see is an Artist Couture. We actually got one of their palettes a while back. That seemed to be pretty pigmented as well. I just feel like some of these brands, they come for the other and bigger brands. Like Artist Couture reminds me a lot of Anastasia and her packaging, as far as just like the clear with the black, and then the A, it's very prominent. And recently Anastasia came out with a palette, and they came out with like 3 shimmer powders or highlighters. So I see you see them. I can never have too much highlight. So we open it up, and it has kind of like a little slider thing, kind of like I've seen some kind of like this already.
So I feel like I'm gonna have to turn this or not turn this. Come on. Okay, there it goes. It wouldn't turn. And now to try to get this. See, this looks like the Jeffree Star setting face powder that he just dropped, except there's not a little plastic thing where I can pick it up with my nail. Like, you just have to guess where it's at and scrape. So I do appreciate Jeffree doing that. Oh, come on. Okay. And that's because I don't even have nails, and I'm having a hard time. Imagine, like, people with actual nails. They would be hating their lives, getting their boyfriends to open it. I'm making other faces, but girl, I am trying. This is really gripped on there.
Okay. Well, some fell on me, and it looks really promising. Do they have a highlighter brush? They don't. I'm going to use a glow brush from last BoxyCharm. Look how shimmery it is though. You see how shimmery it is? Very shimmery. Let's see if I can get some of this on my face. Low-key, I actually think this brush sucks. It's cute packaging too. How much? This runs for $27. Come on, guys. Like, I know you're like little companies, but you can't be charging more than some of these big companies, or just as much. Like, girl, get over yourself.
Girl, get over yourself.
Whew. Sorry, I had to go there. And that's in the color Summer Haze. I mean, I like it. The next thing I have is the Starlux. I actually like Starlux. I got a couple of lip glosses and an eyeshadow color, liquid eyeshadow color, back when I was getting a Ipsy. The color is Celestial. Oh shit, this is not black. Let's see. Looks like a greenish, like... What is this? Like a greenish color? Let me see if I can get some more on there. Oh, excuse me. Okay. That's kind of cool. For like, even like your inner eye. Let's see. Let me put a little bit there. And let me see. Let me put a little there. Doesn't show up that much, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. And the Starlux retails for $19. Like, Starlux didn't even really show up. All right, and the last thing I got is this Pure 12-piece pressed pigment palette, and it says Pure Festival. This is so cute. This actually reminds me of my BH Cosmetics Festival palette. But I mean, how many different ways can you do a festival palette? So they are taped down on the sides. So I gotta undo one of the sides. This is cute. Let me know your thoughts about this product down in the comments below. Also, like, while I'm opening this up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're watching this, because I do like BoxyCharm unboxings all the time, and you don't want to miss that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Alright, so open it up and get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. They gave us a free sample this month. Okay, and this palette actually retails for $36. It reads, unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Oh, wow. Look how pretty this is. Look at that pink and purple. And it comes with those two glitters. Looks like there's just only like 4 matte shades, which are these three right here in the pink. Everything else is a metallic, or these two in the corner are glitter. And this is taped on there as well. Oh, wow. Look how pretty that is. I definitely want to swatch this pink one. It's nice and creamy. Let me see. Let me see. That's the pink. Guys, what are we doing? I'm gonna go ahead and switch the purple. I'm gonna swipe a bronzy color. It's called Hidden Desert. That's really pretty too. Really creamy. I wonder how these glitters work. Oh shoot, I just dipped into there.
Oh shoot, I just dipped into there.
Wow. Okay, most of it comes off early on, but that was so easy to swipe. I'm shook. I'm shook. That is so pretty. Look, I'm going to do the other one just so y'all can see how easily it gets on there. I'm going to do it on my pinky, I guess. See, and it even sounds rough, but then you go like that, and it actually got it on there. Y'all can't see it too well. That one kind of stayed more on my pinky than getting on my skin, but they're so pretty, guys. This is probably my favorite thing from this box, and that's because we got some Luxie brushes. What else did we get? We got Luxie brushes, what I love. We got that cute lipstick, which I liked. What else did we get? Oh, we got the Starlux. I could have passed on that, but this, however, is the winner. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm. Tell me what you think of the palette. I love it, and I look forward to using it. I especially really like Pure. Sometimes some of their products can be patchy. I'm not gonna lie. Like, some of them are good, and some of them I'm like, girl, why can't you just be consistent with y'all's formula? But this one, however, the ones I did swatch, which was 1, 2, 3, 3 normal colors and the glitter ones, I'm here for it. I'm excited for them. I can't wait to create some looks with them. Let me know what you guys think about Pure. Also, any other products that you got in your box. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.